Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we can discuss the essay written by Meenakshi Mukherjee from Puranas to Nutanas. So, in this essay, Meenakshi Mukherjee examines the emergence and growth of the genre of novel in India and also finds that several political and social situations of a colonized nation as well as some narrative traditions of an ancient nation have contributed significantly to its development. English education and an exposure to Western literature were by far the strongest influences at work. Yet, to regard the novel in India as purely a legacy of the British rule, such as the railway or cricket, would be to overlook the complex cultural determinants of a literary genre. One of the many theories about the rise of the novel in the West, the two major theories are important. One theory may be said to attribute the rise of the novel as a genre to the growth of bourgeoisie and modern capitalism. That is, the novel is a genre generated and sustained by the middle class to incorporate the value of this class as against the feudal values of the epic or the romance. While the epic hero's fate was linked with destiny, the protagonist of the novel can make a choice which is the destiny distinctly its own. While the epic hero's fate was linked with destiny, the protagonist of the novel can make a choice which is distinctly his own. The second theory suggests a link between the emergence of the ideas of individual and the rise of the novel. Mukherjee here examines whether these theories hold any truth when we study the novel in India. It is worthwhile here to note some of the obvious differences between novel and the early forms of narratives. In pre-novel narratives, the narrative structure is often circular. That is, either there is larger story which contains a smaller one, which in turn contains another, and so on, or a number of shorter tales strung together in the larger thread of the central narrative. An example to this is Panchatantra and the Arabian Nights. Compared to this, the structure of the novel is more or less unified and the progression is linear rather than cyclic. The consciousness of time is yet another difference. The pre-novel tales have a once upon a time ambience, whereas the novel deals with immediate and concrete human reality. In characterization also, novels have to specify individuals who are required to be convincing in the context of a given time and culture. Tracing the history of novel in India, Mukherjee finds that the early novels in India were all written in urban areas by English educated people who had a whole new world open up to them through their study of English literature. But the Indian novelist faced an inherent problem. He had to operate in a tradition bound society where neither a man's profession nor his marriage was his personal affair. There was very little scope for romantic premarital love of the kind depicted in English novels in India, where marriage was a social institution rather than an art of individual's choice. Chandu Menon's Malayalam novel Indulekha, which was published in 1888, points this essential hurdle, writing about individualism in a society that denies it. Even when the 19th century Indian writers started consciously to emulate the Western writers, they faced a problem of representing the physical reality as it was because realistic representation of life was never a prerogative of the ancient Indian writing. Hence, many early Indian novels belong to the category of Upanyas, which means a discourse or prose narrative arranged in an orderly manner. The earliest long prose narrative in Hindi in 19th century was Rani Kedagi Ki Kahani, which was published in 1801 by Inshallah Khan, was written as a linguistic experiment. This was followed by historical romances in Gujarati and Telugu. Many of these early works of fiction owed their origin and survival to official patronage. British officers often helped the authors by prescribing the works as textbooks, thereby ensuring sales. So that's it. I hope you understood the topic. See you soon in the next video. Bye.